Welcome back to the vlog, guys. We're gonna be wrapping my Supra today. Ring ding. Look who's here. Now's a better time as any to start this vlog.
Yeah, what up, what up? How are y'all in the happy land of the world called Earth? My boogies? You eat it. Yeah, I know you like my boogies. My dog likes it too. It's full of salt. I think we're closer now. What do you think?
Holy hot damn, man. Let's see this. What the hell?
What's the color?
What's the color name? Envy green. So if you look really close, I don't know how well you can see it on camera.
Oh yeah.
But there is much more of a sparkle in this wrap.
Yellow sparkle.
Like you can actually see your reflection on this one. A lot more than you would on just the flat Kelly green. That one's more toyish. Piece for comparisons. Okay, look, see? They're kind of close, I guess. Just one is a lot more saturated and has a lot more shine. That is the gloss Envy green. I think that's what it's called. We are gonna be wrapping the Supra in this color. And actually, I kind of made a Photoshop mock-up of what I want the Supra to look like in the next week or so, just to get it ready for Driven, which is actually gonna be the first car show of the year for us, actually. And I want my Supra to look just a little bit more different. And this is what I came up with. Yes, we are gonna be wrapping in green, but a different green this time. This one's actually a lot nicer to look at. More pleasing. Go on, appreciate, man. Appreciate.
Yeah.
Falling in love with this color, guys.
This is one of
I think this is the move.
Wow. I know your hood goes far. 60's fine, bro. It's fine. No, it's enough. I remember 88 by 60. 88. Good. Okay, so I try to give at least 2 inches. The whole thing is your quarter panel doesn't go all the way down.
Guys, it's a beautiful day outside. A little windy, but here, farther west of Canada, this is what we like to call a Chinook. And it means it's gonna be really warm the next couple of days. But that'll be good for us because this is where we're gonna be wrapping the Supra. What you got cooking?
We're gonna make some okonomiyaki, Japanese pancakes. Back in my...
Guys, Sanji.
It's okay.
This guy's genius. This is actually so good. We're not used to putting this much effort into some of our cooking. It's literally just salt and pepper.
Yeah, I mean... Yeah, I guess it's a little bit of effort.
First actual day of wrapping the Supra. That means I have to clean up, get it prepped. Gotta make sure I finesse all the pieces. See you at the shop. Look who it is, guys. Long time no see. Oh my god. 3-4 months or something like that? Shit, dude. Yo, people been wondering, like, Birdy, where the videos at? They're here. I've been focusing more so on my art side of my life, so I mean, it's like you really have to figure out what you focus your time on. And for the past couple months, I've just been, especially after I purged most of my cars, it's kind of like life putting that obstacle in front of me and really testing me to see what I prioritize in my life, I guess, you know? And like the cars is fun and all, it's very time consuming and it takes up a lot of your resources financially, mentally, physically, all the above. But I mean, it's fun, you know? And at the end of the day, At summertime in Calgary, it's just pure car season, so you're gonna see a lot more of this kid more often. That's the plan. We're all in the same boat. To get you guys all caught up, FRS is back to black, not fully put together. I still gotta put the spoiler. We also have a spoiler that we're gonna be installing on the Supra while Quan's helping us wrap that. This is the state of upstairs right now. But at least we got access. All of the XB furniture is over there. I'm gonna put that back in the XB. Battle Arrow spoiler for the Supra in that corner. Oh, also I'm here to prep for the Driven Car Show. So, tablecloths, anything I need for the booth, including flags and standing grids for the merch. Yeah, today, TLC day for the cars and for myself. Let's get it. Not the one to know. Yeah. And I'm still here with who I started with. Alright guys, I think it's time to get started. This is the last time you see it in blue. Well, probably not the last time, but it'll be a while before I take off this color wrap. And the color is no surprise. We're going with green.
Her skin tinted brown sheets and it's Chanel. Hit the highway when she hitting my cell. Body talking to me, I've been listening well. The type of shit make you forget that you've been living in hell. This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he. This for the grown and the sexy.
Yeah. So there's 2 bolts here. 1, 2, 3. There's a rubber seal. You take that out first. Take out these 3 torque bolts, should be like T20, and then you're gonna be lifting up the rubber here. You're gonna see these tabs. You're gonna get a metal pick tool and just pry at it, like open it just a little bit and then pull as you do it. So you know how we did it with the bumper there? Same thing. So you just gradually just pull both sides. 1, 2, 1, 2. And then eventually you get to the middle and then you pull that. Then that will come loose. Then you do the same thing.
Tomorrow, probably I'm gonna start on installing the Battle Arrow spoiler. So we had to take off the rear bumper anyway. But I also have a feeling we're gonna be replacing this entire thing. Oh my God. What are you doing to the car, dude? So yeah, this is, rolls are generally 5 feet tall. So the hood of the Supra is almost like a clamshell design, so the top part is practically attached to the fenders. When it comes to wrapping the hood, there might be a tiny bit of stretching needed. Tiny bit. Hello, buddy. Oh, damn. What is that?
The king of beers.
Oh, that's cool.
Gonna make up for the other time.
Appreciate it. Yeah, I know. We gotta catch up. What the heck?
Yeah.
Hey, beauty. Cheers.
I thought I was gonna be doing this FRS.
Wait. Oh yeah, that's yours. Oops. Cheers.
This for the grown and the sexy. Go ahead and text me. I know the Lord real and it shows that he blessed me. Ay, look, incense turn to ash, day turning to night. Hate it when the unsaid turn into fights. Gotta keep it player, I'ma speak on the real. This love really ain't a game, girl, don't sleep on the field. You make a nigga from the low side hit a high note. Presidential pussy, girl, you getting my vote. Shower for an hour, then we hit the hydro. Hit the road, she be down to go wherever I go. I know, I done fucked around and snagged me a keeper. Down the ride with me till we both meet the reaper. Up late nights, guess she really ain't a sleeper. Bet the neighbors know my name, got them acting like a creeper.
Second day of wrapping the Supra, and look how far this kid's got. Decided to black out the door handles, but with the carbon pieces back on, the side mirrors on. Oh, what's going on over here? So we are still gonna stick to the two-tone, where the top half is gonna be black, but this kid does not cut corners. He is just wrapping everything, the entire panel, and then he's gonna do the black on top, which is something I never did in the past. Wrap 88, guys. Toronto.
is wrong with me? Do I care too carefully? What is wrong with me? Does somebody know?
Christmas time!
So while my buddy Quan was crushing it on the wrap, I decided to do some final touches myself by putting the rubber gasket liner on the finished wide body pieces.
What is wrong with me?
It's those fine details.
Cause I don't know.
The reason why I like putting this rubber gasket is, for me, it's like outlining a Gundam robot. That's almost like what you're doing here. But these rubber gaskets also just help prevent dust and other debris from going into the wide body. Maybe you've seen this on RWBs where Nakai-san actually takes tar with his finger and then puts it on the body lines of the wide body. But here we're just using something you can pick up at your Toyota. Yeah. So I mean, this place is awesome for what it is. I mean, I already got rid of basically my storefront. Like, I don't even have any of my merch displayed here in the front anymore. It's just a bit too much for what I'm using it for. Which means, for me, back to the drawing board. Or, you know, that proverbial having to take a few steps back so you can move forward. That's where I'm at. I mean, we'll definitely still make the most of it while we're still here. And at the end of the day, your situation really is what you make of it. All about perspective.
Why was this so much easier? I'm so stupid. Okay, so there's a slit above where it's supposed to go, and it slides in like that. Okay. Yeah, this is a lot easier.
Cool.